Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have a new smartwatch, the AOLON GTS Smartwatch. This GTS Smartwatch is marketed as a sports health data monitoring smartwatch. And as you can see here, so it looks simple, sporty, and with a very good features for health monitoring as well as sports monitoring. Okay, it is available in pink, blue, and black color. So we will check on this wearable. We'll see its specs as well as the design and see if this smartwatch is a good pick or not. So if you have any questions regarding the GTS smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and unbox the AOLON GTS smartwatch. Okay, so let's check first the packaging here. As you can see, we have the specs here. 1.83 inch TFT with a 240 by 284 high definition large screen display. It features the 24-hour heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, the body frame is ultra thin and light. I guess this is a PC material with IP67 waterproof rating. So we have here some features. Okay, so we have here some sports as well as multi-sports mode. Okay, for the specs, so we have here the processor BK32886, Bluetooth 4.0, 15 to 30 days of battery life or standby time, I think, for 30 days. IP67, very lightweight with the 39 grams in weight. 46 by 38 by 10.5 millimeter in dimension. Okay, so that's it. So let's check. Let's have the unboxing of the wearable. Okay, let's open. Let's remove the plastic cover here. Okay, let's remove the plastic. Okay, we have here the support app JU Pro, available on Android and iOS. Okay, so let's check the wearable. Again, this is AOLON GTS Smartwatch. So what are the contents? We have a smartwatch, of course, the body frame. So this is a PC material with, seems like we do have a metal bezel. Okay, we'll check on that later on. We have the smartwatch here. We have a flexible silicone strap. We have the charging cable, magnetic, okay, pogo pin. And we have here the user manual. So it is available in English and other languages here. Watch GTS. So let's explore more. So we have here some instructions. We also have here the QR code. Okay, what else? What information do we have here? For the GTS. Connecting the watch. Pairing, download and install the app. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so let's check the smartwatch here. Plastic cover or plastic body frame. No, it's not a metal bezel here, but just see 2.5D tempered glass with a black border. At the back, we have here the power connector and also a PC material. We have here the strap with a quick release pin. for easy attachment. Okay, then next one. So we already have the dimension for the wearable. So based on the dimension, it is a medium size body frame. Again, let's check. So we have here 46 by 38 by 10.5 millimeter. You have here the power button. So this is not a crown button. I guess it is just for power on and off, and also work as a return button. Okay, let's turn it on and let's see the screen display. AOLON. So we have here 1.83 inch TFT LCD screen. Okay. Yep, it's okay. The screen display is decent. Okay. On top we have here the UI. So we have some shortcut on the calculator. Vibration mode, flashlight, Bluetooth call. Okay. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the left side we have the split screen, and on the right side different components. You can add your own. Okay, pressing the power button while on the home screen will show the menu, I think. Let's see. Okay, as expected. Okay, but so far the smartwatch looks okay. Very simple and with a very good screen display, I think. The brightness is okay, very sharp. We have a slim black border. Let's see again. Let's change the watch face to a much brighter watch face. Do we have? No. We don't have it here. But we have how many watch face here? 5. Okay, so far it looks okay. Again, this is the AOLON GTS Smartwatch. You have here the specs, 1.83 inch TFT by 240 by 284 pixel resolution. We have the Bluetooth 4.0 here. Battery life 15 to 30 days. IP67, 39 grams in weight, 46 by 38 by 10.5 millimeter in dimension. And it is using the JU Pro Support App. Okay, so far the smartwatch looks simple but okay, decent enough. Okay, for those who are looking for a simple smartwatch but still loaded with several features including health and sports, I guess this one is good for you. Okay, very affordable so far. AOLON GTS Smartwatch, also marketed as the GTS Smartwatch. Okay, let's double check. Let's go to the system. Where's the settings? Yes, it is a GTS. Okay, so model AOLON GTS Smartwatch. Okay, I thought it's just your branding, but still. Okay, it has the same design with other wearables, I think. Anyway, this one is okay. Okay, and it's loaded with, preloaded already with watch faces. Again, if you have any questions regarding the Watch GTS or the AOLON GTS Smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.